Welcome, everybody. Join us at Hyatt Regency O'Hare. Welcome, MLJ family. We are out, me and my honey, for restaurant week in Rosemont. And we are actually going to be staying here at the Hyatt Regency. And so I wanted to do a little room tour for you. So, with that being said, let's check out the room. So this is the entranceway right here. You have a little refrigerator, you have the coffee maker, and they give you little packs of sugar. And then we also have a safe that's here. They also give you a complimentary bottle of water, and then you have the ice bucket. And then you also have a ironing board and a iron. And they also give you extra blankets and pillow. And then you have the bathroom. One thing with the bathroom, they have the little barn doors that you can actually close this way. Which is cool, neat. And then you have where you can hang your coats, a nice little sitting area. And then this is the washroom, nice washroom, the shower, tub. And you have your pictures. And I love the actual mirror. It has the lights and it actually has the time right there. Maybe a little complimentary lotions and soap. And then there is also 2 glasses, but I say that that's really nice. So let's check out the rest of the room. Then you have a mirror right here. And then you go into your front. A nice large area. And the TV is huge. I like how this is set up. And then, anybody boo, want a drink? Then you have a lamp right here. A nice couch. Pretty, and then it has the pictures on the wall. It actually has the little lights up here as well, which is cute. It gives it a little nice vibe. And then you have your little end table with a lamp. And then you also have another lamp over here, and it's a nice table with the 2 chairs. It is nighttime, so it's dark. You have a nice pretty picture here. I like this wall, how they have it set up right there. And then on the other side is the bedroom. So they have the end light, and then you have a nice another size big screen TV, and then you have drawers that's right here. And I will say, nice comfy bed. I like the headboard. And then they have, of course, the pictures there. But what's cool, you can actually see on the other side into the front room. So we are going to be here for restaurant weekend, me and Boo. And we're going to have a little fun. Ain't that right, Boo?
Yes, sir.
We will catch you later. We were in the Plaza Suite in room 2728. The hallways were beautiful. Afterwards, we hit restaurant week at Crust Brewing, and it was a nice location, very vibey. And then you can see the actual inside. It was a nice place. And this is their menu. And we, of course, got the spinach artichoke dip. And then my honey, he actually got the salmon with mashed potatoes and roasted vegetables. I got the short ribs and mashed potatoes and broccoli. And then we also tried the pizza, which was a mushroom. And this was our dessert. Then we just stopped at Longhorn, of course, just trying it out. That's my drink. And then my honey got a 20-ounce steak, big. And then I got the lamb chops. They are back with shrimp. And then this is me and my honey. We were out and enjoying restaurant week.